Tunampatia mwalimu mkuu asome. Yes.
One brand new computer lab with equipped with the fully stocked computers for our learners, a fully renovated modern staff room for our teachers, modern toilets for our teachers, ablution blocks for boys and girls, and special toilets for children with disabilities.
The whole program is part of M-Pesa Foundation Citizens of the Future. And the Citizens of the Future program has three elements. The first element is upgrading of schools, together with facilitation of a computer lab with all the associated equipment. We are committed as M-Pesa Foundation to do 500 schools over the next 5 years. Up to now, we have done 118, and we have projects across the country in all the counties